Hello, welcome to our Summer Porch Office Hours series. So, to get started, we are going to be diving into creating video content when you just really don't love filming. So, this is something we hear regularly. The confidence around filming or being on camera is hard. When we started our podcast or even our business, we didn't realize we'd have to be content creators too. And for many of us, that's the part that makes us freeze up. And I get it. I have felt that way too. And honestly, a lot of the times I still do. But don't dwell or focus too much on it. Instead, let's find ways to work around it. Because the thing is, video content still matters, especially on YouTube, which is obviously video based and a great search engine for discoverability. So, putting out video content is important, but it doesn't always have to be just you. There are other strategies that you can use while staying consistent. So, if you've been feeling stuck on putting out video content, keep watching. I'm going to share some ways to help you work around it. So, let's get into 6 different workarounds. The first is Audiogram waveform videos. So, here is an example. It's crazy how good it can feel to parent on your own terms. And these are a great option for audio only shows or for when you just don't have time to create video content. They are also super easy to make. Number 2 is screen recorded slides or whiteboard tutorials. This is a great option if you're teaching something or doing how-to content. So I'm thinking educators, coaches, things like that could really benefit from this style. And it could look like this. The reason these two aren't together is this clip right here gets changed every. Up next is B-roll over audio. So here's again what that could look like. How do we refrain what counts as self-care? Because it's like, maybe sometimes and if you have a phone and are willing to record everyday footage from your job or your life, this is a really great option for you. Number 4 is adding a static image and captions. So this is similar to what YouTube will put out automatically for audio only podcasts, but it's a great option for people who have an image or a graphic that they'd like to use versus video. Number 5 is using AI avatar tools. Of course, this is really going to depend on your own preference when it comes to AI, but this is a really great option for people who want a face without being on camera themselves. I personally haven't used it yet myself, but here is a podcast right here, and I will also link it in the description if you want to check it out. Nick has a really great show that is all AI based, so check that out as well. A great option. And finally, number 6 is consider hiring a video editor for short videos. This, again, is a great option if you have the budget for it and you would rather hand it off to someone else with the expertise. So, with that said, if you have zero budget, I would start with B-roll footage. It's easy to record yourself, lets you figure out the ropes of what you're wanting to put out for content, and all the tools you need are likely free. So, there's no cost to start putting out faceless content. So, today, I would pick a day where you can record all your B-roll footage for the month while you're doing tasks that are relevant. Then open up CapCut or whatever you edit videos on, make a few posts, and schedule them alongside your next episode to see how they do. The testing starts now. So remember, you don't need to be on camera to grow. You just need to start somewhere and be consistent. Let me know in the comments which option you're trying first. And stay tuned and subscribe below if you haven't already, because this is just the first video in our Summer Porch Office Hours series. I will be back next time to chat about YouTube strategy if you only have 30 minutes a week. Can't wait to chat with you then. Bye.